Okay, I just have to record one. Oh, hi. I didn't realize I'm recording right now. So, yeah, I was just preparing for my next few videos for Vedic Maths episodes 4, 5, and 6. And yeah, welcome to my channel. My name is Ishaan, and today we are going to learn about Vedic Maths. And today is the second episode of Vedic Maths. So it has been 2 months already since I have done my videos. And if I'm not wrong, my first part was way long back in 2022, 22nd October. So yeah, that is the first part. And in this episode, we are going to the second part. That means last time we did multiplying two-digit numbers base 10 with 9. So this video we're going to do it with 8. 8 and 7. So yes. Oh god. I didn't get ready also. Yes. Let me just open my whiteboard. Just opening the board. Okay. Okay, I don't need all of this. Okay, so here's the whiteboard. So as I told, today we're going to do with base 10 numbers multiplication with 80s in the 80s range. That means 80 to 89. And maybe if possible, we'll do 70s also, 70, 79. That'll make my work lesser. Okay, so first, let's take a recap of what we did in the previous part. You could say previous episode. So in the previous episode, we did with 90s range multiplication. We did this problem 99 times 97, and the method also I showed. So we keep 100 at the top right. So what we do, we keep a line in the middle and keep a horizontal line, which is the answer. So what we do on this part is like the answer between the difference of this number minus this number will come here, and the difference of this number minus this number will come here. So that is the thing. And then we got the answer as, oh, I erased my bad. So it is 100 minus 99, which is 1, and 100 minus 97 here, which is 3. So now we do either side subtraction and write the answer here. Because 97 minus 1 is very easy to calculate. We already know it's 96. Now here is the most common mistake. If you do it like this, you're not supposed to write 3. 963 is not your answer. Now, because our base number is 100, there should be only 2 digits. 2 digits over here. So the one digit will be 3, but what will be in the other space? So if there is no number over there, we add a 0. Now the whole thing together is the answer, which is 9603. Okay, so today we are going to continue with the 8s and 7s, if possible. So we're going to start off with the 80s. Okay, so first thing, write 100 on the top. So I'm going to keep a problem. I've kept it like 80s into 90s so that it is more easier. Like this, it's more easier. So now, first step, what do we do? Yes, we subtract 100 from 88. No, 88 from 100. So that means 100 minus 88. Okay, whatsoever. 100 minus 88, which is equal to 12. So we write 12 over here. Now 100 minus 99 we know is 1. Now what we do? Subtraction. 88 minus 1 is easier. So we do that. Or actually you can do 99 minus 12 also. But if you want to go easier, then you can do the other one. Check which number is shorter and then the diagonal which number is so. If you don't want to do the easier, you can do the harder also. 88 minus 1 is 87. And now 12 times 1 is equal to 12. So 87 and 12. So the answer is 8712. Okay. So now if you didn't understand this, you can go back to the first part, see the video, and then come back to this. Okay. So now I'll give some practice problems, like how I did in the first video, and then we're gonna solve them together. Okay. 1 minute. 85 times 92. Second is 80 times 95. Sorry, my handwriting on the computer is not good. Sorry, I have to cover the camera. 387 times 97. Okay, so now you can pause the video and solve these questions. So in a few minutes, I'll be back. Okay. Okay, so now I'm back. We're gonna solve these problems together. So I'll have to erase this whole thing. So I have to erase the whole thing. Wait a minute. Sorry, some disruptions. Okay, so back to where I was. Wait, where was I? Oh yes. So we're gonna solve the problems together. Okay, so our first problem was 85 times 92. Okay, so now and forgot to write 100 at the top. Okay, so 100 minus 85 is equal to 15. 100 minus 92 is equal to 8. So yes. Now, this is a very important question. Wait, no, this is not one. This is not the one. The next one is a very important question. This one's actually, yeah, this one's also important. This one's also important. So here you see, we do the normal thing. Subtraction. 85 minus 8 is equal to 87. 77. 77. No, wait. Wait, no. 1 minute. How did I correct? Yeah, okay. 77. 77. We'll keep it at the side first. Keep it at the side first. Now, the most important part. 15 times 8. You'll say, what is important in this? I'll tell you. You shouldn't write 120 over here. That is totally wrong. Only 2 digits can be over there. As I told, this 100 has 2 zeros. So there can be only 2 spots. Now this one, what will it do hanging here? Instead, it will go to the 10, it will go to the next place. So 77, we add this fellow 1 to it. And then your answer is 78. And now you can erase this one from here and remove the line from there. And then, yeah, that's your answer. 7820. You can erase the 77 here also. If you don't erase the 77, you may get confused. So 7820 is your answer for this question. Looks like I've done it wrong in my book. Okay. This question as well applies for the next question. Okay. Okay, so we'll go on to the next question. Our next question is 80 times 95. Oh yes. First this 100 on the top. And yes, that's it. So 100 minus 80 is, then we can keep it as 20 because 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. And 100 minus 95 is equal to 5. Now subtraction time. 75, you keep it at the side. And then 20 times 5, 100. You can't keep the 1 there. So keep the 0, 0 over there. And then give the 1 to the 75, which will be 76. So the answer for this question is 7600. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, our next question is 87 into 97. Okay, so 100 minus 87 is equal to 13. 100 minus 97 is equal to 3. 13 times 3 is equal to 39. If you don't know that, you can use it as a rough side and then give the answer over there. So as usual, subtraction time. Because there are no carry forwards, you can just put 84 over here. So now your answer is 8439. Okay, so this same because you guys already know the technique. So because we're moving on to the 70s, I'm just going to give the problems to you guys. You guys can try same way and I will give you the answers also. If your answers are wrong, you can correct it as well. There's no erasing. There's an eraser as always. You cannot do any calculation correct without an eraser. If you erase it, then yeah, you'll be able to reattempt the question and get it correct the other time. Okay. We'll move on to the 70s questions. Okay, 72 times 99. Wait. Alright, I'm supposed to write it in question form. Why am I writing in this form? Okay. First question. 72 times 99 to 70 times 92 and 3. 75 times 91. Okay. So the same way, pause the video, note down your questions and solve them. If you get it wrong, no worries. You can rectify it also. I'll wait for a while. Okay, I'm back. So, yes. Let's solve the questions now. Okay. Now, same way. 100 on the top. Write on the question. 72 times 99 was first question. Okay. 100 minus 72, which is 28. And 100 minus 99 is 1. Subtraction time 71. 28 times 1, 28. 7128 is your answer. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Sure, this will be a fast one. Okay, next one. Again 100 on the top. 70 times 92. Okay. Okay, 100 minus 70 is equal to 30. 100 minus 92 is equal to 8. Subtraction time. 70 minus 8 is 62. Now what do you do to 62? Keep it in your brain first. Now 30 times 8 is equal to 210. Just keep the 10 here. Add the 2 to the 62 in your brain, which is equal to 64. Oh, have I done it wrong? Oh, sorry. My bad. I didn't. Oh, shit. Wait. Okay. It's 40. 6440. I'm sorry. Okay, we'll move on to our last question. We just have a snack. Okay, 25 into 9. You can calculate this mentally by 25 times 10 minus 25 times 1, which is basically 250 minus 25. 225. We can only keep 25 here. Subtraction time. 66. 66 plus 2. 68. So your answer is 6825. Okay. So we're done. So our first topic is done. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode for multiplication with 11, 111 and 1111. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.